Okay, and we're going to be taking this bumper off, this front bumper. This bottom plastic piece right here has to be replaced. Okay, and there's 8 bolts across there. They are Torx, number 30 Torx. You'll have 8 of them right across there. You'll have to undo. Okay, and right down here, you can see them over there. I'm trying to get you a view. Right down there. And I can't get to it. There is 2 10 millimeters left and right. I can't get past that bucket. Let's see. Right down there, there's 2 2 millimeter bolts that you have to remove to get this bumper cover off. Then you'll have to remove this bolt. It's right up here on the other side of that wire. See it there? You'll have to unloosen that one. And you'll have to take this whole molding off first. You'll do that first. Okay, so these are all the bolts on top if you didn't get a good view. There's one there, there, there. There's one there, and one there, and one back over here. And you have 2 clips, or you have a clip down here that you have to go from the back side to try to get off. In order for it to slide out. You don't release that clip, it's not going anywhere. That clip is very strong. And that last thing that was holding us up was this plug right here. So you might want to unplug it before you try to take the bumper off. And then our damages was right here. I couldn't show you very good because it was on the car. There's a hole all the way through it here.